Your Android phone might look fine, but under the surface, these 5 hidden settings could be draining your battery, slowing everything down, and even exposing your personal data. Most people ignore them until it's too late, but changing them only takes a minute, and it can seriously boost your phone's speed, security, and performance. Let's fix it right now. Solution 1. Turn off Send Diagnostic Data. This feature gathers information about how to use your phone and send it to the manufacturer. It runs in the background and drains your battery faster. Here's how you can disable it. First, open Settings on your device. Then scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Now scroll all the way down to More Privacy Settings. Turn off Send Diagnostic Data. Uncheck the box and tap OK. Solution 2. Hide lock screen notification content. By default, messages and emails displays full content on your lock screen, exposing sensitive information to anyone nearby. Here's how you can stop that. Go to Settings, then scroll down and tap Notifications. Now tap Lock Screen Notifications, select Hide Content. From now on, notifications will only show which app sent them. To read the details, you'll need to unlock your phone. Solution 3. Enable Accidental Touch Protection. This setting prevents unwanted touches when your phone is in your pocket or bag. To turn it on, first open your phone settings. Then tap on Display. Now scroll down and enable Accidental Touch Protection. I already have it activated and it's very helpful. Solution 4. Reduce animations for faster performance. Long animations can slow down your phone and drain the battery. First, go to Settings. Now, scroll down and tap Accessibility. Select Vision Enhancements. Tap on Reduce Animations. Toggle it on. Your phone will feel quicker and the battery will last longer. Solution 5. Turn on Battery Protection. This feature prevents your phone from overcharging, which helps keep your battery healthy over time. Here's how you can enable it. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Device Care. Tap Battery. Turn on Battery Protection. Tap Battery Protection again and choose Basic. With this active, charging stops at 100% and resumes only when the battery drops to 95%, reducing wear and heat. That's all I wanted to share in this video. If it was helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.